Hi, can you hear me? Hopefully you can hear me. Where's my screen share? Ayan. Let me just fix the screen share. Sorry ang gulo. I hope you can hear me, pero I'll try to increase the volume. Hello? Ayan. Sorry, ang tagal na kasing hindi live. But anyways, I'm here because sakto, I have to review my portfolio. Sa US to I'm not trading sa Philippine stocks. Recently, you know why, hindi naman siya nagmo-move. Or even if it does, walang boring siya. Anyways, so usually I check my stocks. I use IBKR, by the way. So I have my portfolio here. I cannot open it kasi I'm in Jakarta. I'm in Indonesia, and I cannot open IBKR here. So I can only trade using my phone. But anyways, I'll have to go through one by one kasi last Friday, ang laki ng shift, ang changes nung sa stock portfolio ko. So, I need to revisit what will I sell, what will I hold, ganyan. Siyempre yung mga bumaba, hold talaga. Pero we need to know why, bakit siya, anong nangyari sa kanya, di ba? So, I have Amazon, Meta, VOO, Microsoft, um, BRK, B, Twilio, Disney, QQQM, KR, Tesla, ano, yung mga iba, one lang naman siya. So, I don't have to review that. Anyways, so yun, laki ng changes kasi I think reporting ng, quarterly, ano tawag dito? Basta reporting siya ng mga ng earnings reporting. So, kaya ang laki ng changes. And so, yung iba, sobrang laki ng binaba, and yung iba, sobrang laki ng tinaas. And one of that is, as you can see sa screen share ko, is Meta. Yeah, medyo laki pa naman ng, hindi naman, 3 shares lang naman binili ko. But anyways, malaki pa rin siya in terms of my portfolio. And right now, it's at negative 10% sa akin. So, either I will rebalance this by buying more para mag-average down siya. Pero, what happened ba sa kanya? Let's see. So, definitely bad yung earnings niya. By the way, I didn't research before this, so gagawin ko siya right in front of you. And in stream live ko lang siya. So just if you're looking at, the same stocks, you can share your thoughts then. Mag-comment lang kayo. I cannot see the comments right now, but I'll check from time to time then. And yeah, you can just watch this later. Tapos, times 2 nyo yung yeah, times 2 nyo or fast, pero yan. So, Wall Street, 5 factors. Bakit ang laki ng binaba niya? So, one thing I like about, IBKR, kasi I'm not sponsored or anything. I just use it kasi it's really nice. So, it has all the, information dun sa app. So, for example, this one. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. So, even yung news, yung analyst report would be here. So, ang target price pa rin niya is 842. So, this could be a good entry point. But, kailan yung next dividend niya? Sorry, the news is that ang nangyari sa kanya. Wala naman big news outside dun sa revenue niya. Saan ulit yung niya? Target. Okay, so ang earnings per share estimated sa kanya for Q3 is around 6.3. Pero yung result na nilabas niya is nasa 1 point something lang. So it's significantly low dun sa analyst estimates. So, ay, teka lang. Baka hindi niya nakikita. How can I increase this part? Teka. Saan yung Sorry. Ay, here. Sorry. No. Sorry. Hindi kita. Ito ba? Let me check. Sorry, hindi ko bisado. Dahil tayo sa home. Ay, mali. Si overview. Sorry. I mean, you don't have to watch this one kasi hindi ako talaga isip lang ako. Kung gusto niya lang makisabay sa pag-review. Ayan. So, here, ayan. Sakto. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Much better. Hello, Jape. Sorry wala akong hindi ako organized this time. But anyways, ayan. Ano nangyari sa kanya? Okay. Financials. I need to know kasi ano yung reason kung bakit mababa yung earnings niya. Kasi minsan meron lang silang mga, kunyari, acquisition. Even if it's acquisition, hindi naman kinukuha sa, yun sa earnings yun. Hindi naman ma-affect yung revenue nila eh. Pero minsan kasi, may reason kung bakit mababa yung revenue na nire-report nila ng quarter na yun. So, I need to understand why para ma-assess ko if I need to sell it or not. Pero, or I will add up or I'll just wait until mag-recover siya. Kasi 10% down siya. Technically, pag ganito, bumibili ako kasi gusto ko mag-average down siya. Okay naman yung financial health niya. So, what's the problem? Tapos hindi rin naman nila nilagay sa news. Like, bakit? Ganyan. Walang explanation. Check ulit natin. Nasaan yung news? Ayun. Hmm. Ay, ito. Meta platforms stock falls despite strong growth. Here's why. Okay. All reported earnings on October 9 based on after hours trading. Meta clearly got the short end of the stick. Shares declined by more than 7% during that period. Meanwhile, Microsoft was approximately 3.5. Nag-out na ako sa Microsoft, I think. Ay, hindi pa pala. Hindi pa pala ako nakalabas ng Microsoft. Pero okay lang, kasi okay naman siya. However, this market reaction didn't come because Meta's underlying business posted disappointing results. The company's top line growth was impressive and several key performance indicators were powerful. However, market beat noted could happen in its Meta earnings preview. Unexpected issues triggered a sharp downside move. So, what is this trigger? Ano to? Bakit? Okay. Below will break down Meta. Meta reported revenue of kaya nga, maganda naman yung revenue. Actually, forecast ko sa kanya, maganda yung revenue niya. So, parang, siya bumagsak. Minsan talaga, baliw tong market. See, 26% increase of revenue. This handily beat estimates. Actually, it beat the estimate pa. So, bakit yung net niya actually, or baka yung cash flow niya yung bumaba? Teka, babasahin ko lang. Came in at 14%. This was the fastest. Furthermore, so why nga? Okay, na-gets na natin yan. Okay. In terms of growth, Meta experienced its best quarter in over a year. Tax charge tanks EPS. Okay, tax. Increased spending projections raise concern. Kasi 'di ba nag-aano sila, heavy investment sila sa AI right now. So, yun. The huge disappointment came in earnings per share, EPS. Yun nga kanina, 'di ba? Sabi natin EPS niya is very low. The figure came in at 1.05, representing an 83% drop from the same time last year. That's really huge. Analysts expected EPS to rise by 12% to 6.74. The silver lining is that Meta's EPS drop was due to a one-time charge of 16 billion, not an unforeseen decline in operating profitability. The one big beautiful bill introduced in a change in US tax law, leading Meta to reduce the value of its deferred tax assets. Okay. Without this change, Meta says its EPS would have been 7.25. This would have equated to a 20% growth. Okay, good. So therefore, it means this is just one time tax, tax change, US tax change law, blah blah. So therefore, it's actually an opportunity. So kasi I'm planning to sell Twilo, and buy something else. So, well, yung projection naman for next quarter for Meta is a bit low. Pero still, I think it can recover. So, therefore, thank you. It's an opportunity to average down. For me, hindi ko sinasabing gayahin niyo ako. I'm just like telling you what will I do. Yan. So, I'll average down. Sinusulat ko kasi bukas ko siya gagawin. Average down on Meta. Actually, kasi busy rin ako this coming week, so I don't have time. Pero if you have time to like really check yung sa chart ng market, you can buy maybe pag nag-dip talaga siya. Pero wala akong time for that. So I'll just add more since nasa negative 10 naman na siya. And nag-crossover na siya sa 200 um, 200 average, moving average niya. So, ayan o, nandiyan na siya. So, I think it's a good buy for me na. If bumaba pa siya, then, yun lang. Pero, if not, basta babalik siya, so okay na ako doon. Kasi, ano naman ako swing trader naman ako, diba? And I don't have time to like really check or buy and sell every day. Like, lalo na yung last week, sobrang wala akong time. So, na-check ko lang siya Saturday na. Tapos, na-shock na lang ako what happened. Kaya, ayan, may live tayo ngayon. Kasi na-stress ako ng slight lang naman. Anyways, so, we're done with that. Microsoft, it could be the same, right? Be the same. Baka dahil dun sa sa tax. Kasi, same naman to ng businesses eh. Hi, Jape. Maalindog. Ayan. Okay, okay. Ayan, so we're now here at Microsoft naman. Ano to? Bakit may ganito tayo? Sorry, may notification. So, Microsoft, same. Bumaba din siya. Nasa 50-day moving average siya. Probably the same thing happened. So, that's why it's important you check the news kung ano yung nangyayari before you sell, 'di ba? Hindi yung and you really try to understand, hindi yung nag-ano kayo, panic selling. So right now, my Microsoft is still up by 8.87%. So I'm not really worried naman with this one. Meron pa rin akong cushion if it goes down. So what happened to Microsoft? In terms of performance, ayun, same naman siya. Sa last quarter? Yeah, Q3. Na-hit naman niya. Pero kasi for a stock to go significantly high after earnings report, dapat yung result nila is way above dun sa expectation ng analyst. So, in this case, na-meet lang nila yung target. So, ayun. Pero why? Earnings is higher, diba? I think it's the same reason. Could be the same reason. Okay. Okay, so nag-loss si OpenAI. I always use pa naman OpenAI. Mag-subscribe na kasi kayo. Wag na kayong mag-take ng free. Sobrang useful kaya niya. $20 a month lang yung binabayad ko. Pero sobrang gamit na gamit ko siya. Kasi hindi ako masyado magaling sa tawag dito, making the email grammatically or diplomatic enough, 'di ba? So I use it very well to revise my tone, my chemetic boom. So Microsoft owns 32.5% kay OpenAI. So if technically, that's why it affects yung earnings nila. Like, I think like perception, di ba? Oh, um, technically, hindi naman sila nag-loss. Na-meet pa nga nila yung target. Pero still, nag-down kasi parang, syempre, if one of your businesses, na majority stakeholder ka, is hindi maganda yung earnings, it could affect your future earnings. Bakit? Kasi, for example, yun nga, sinasabi nila, di ba, parang, nag-invest sila ng 4.1 billion. May mga businesses kasi na may tinatawag na cash burn. So, um, at some point, you need to infuse cash ulit dun sa business. And therefore, that will end, parang that will affect your existing cash flow. So, yun yung reason. So, yung market was a bit, unhappy. Teka. Need to log in again. Ay, later na nga lang. Ayan, so, okay, so, ayan, sabi ni Microsoft, whether we burn 500 million a year or $5 billion or $50 billion a year, I don't care. I genuinely don't. He said in a talk last year at Stanford, it's going to be expensive, it's totally worth it. Okay, so the issue with Microsoft is yung OpenAI. And I mean, everyone's investing on it, right? But it will take time for that to actually be profitable. So, um, so it might be better to like stay away from Microsoft for now. But I mean, at the end of the day, Microsoft is still Microsoft, diba? Ayun lang. For me, I'll still hold it. I'll just wait for it to go up. But pwede rin ako I mean, I hold it naman for a while until it reaches 20%, tapos I sell it. Pero siguro, before I buy again later on, I'll think again. Pero ako kasi I'm a believer of AI din. Although it's intensive sa energy, of course, much better kung hindi siya alam mo yun, negative sa environment. But technically speaking, I'm okay with with AI. And yun. Yeah, most of the reason is yun nga, mag-increase yung spending nila sa AI. Pero yung ETFs, they will buy Microsoft more. I mean, at the end of the day, this is investment, diba? So they believe that AI will go up. Then, if you also believe the same, then you invest on them. Pero if you're not a believer, then don't buy their stocks. Okay, so we're okay with Microsoft. Just hold. Next one is the others naman ETF lang, so I don't need to like really review. And the other one is Twilio. Ito sobrang laki ng tinaas. I mean, I'm not complaining about it. I bought it for a reason, diba? So I estimated that it's gonna go up in terms of earnings. So I mean, usually I hit 20% gain, pero this one I got 30% na. So I think I'm happy. I'll sell this na. Pero I just wanna see like, is it good for holding? Ganyan? Or antayin ko ba siya bumaba ulit? Then I re-enter. So what's the deal? What's the deal, Kuya Char? Hi, Tebby! I'm like, okay, Twilio. Um, Twilio. Whoa. Um, Yan. Okay, see, na-achieve naman niya yung target earnings. Ay, hindi. Ano ba ngayon? Sorry, Q3 yan. Oo, na-achieve naman niya. It's slightly higher than what was, estimated for it to earn. Net income niya is 37.25 million. See this one, yung earnings niya surprised by 0.7 or by 15.31%. So this is what I'm saying, no? Kailangan yung increase mo versus dun sa estimated is like 10% and above. So we have 15% above expectation. Estimated earnings for Q3. Yan. Pero I need to check din. Kasi minsan may analyst targets naman to, 'di ba? And it's important that I sell before that price goes there kasi mapag-iwanan ka na. Anyways, target niya is 131. Um, nasa buy side pa rin naman siya. Pero ano na ako, mag-out na ako siguro dito. Na-achieve ko naman na yung target ko. Yung high target is 170. Pero the problem kasi is kapag ganito, you have to kailangan mo siyang bantayan. Eh wala nga akong time, 'di ba? So benta ko na lang. Okay. It's above na the Twilo sell. Okay. Sakto. So what's the next one? Disney. What happened to Disney? Saan ka na, Disney? Okay. Okay, wala naman masyadong movement pala. Akala ko naman meron. Um, yung Kroger ang bumaba. I mean, I thought it's gonna be, big. I mean, it's gonna go up. Pero, sa bagay, Kroger kasi is like grocery, di ba? Parang, it's like pure gold sa atin. So, well, I bought it for Q4 actually. And November and December is like buying, 'di ba? More on anong meron ng November sa kanya? Thanksgiving. So, I'm hoping by Q4 si Kroger tatas. Pero Walt Disney muna tayo. Disney. Ay, wow, meron siyang pa-target na down. Wait. Oh, winner. Oh. Winner pala siya. Oh. Tumaas siya. Okay. Oh, okay. So for this quarter, so Disney reported a 10% surprise. So it's higher than estimated earnings for Q3, right? Tama ba? Oh, Q3. Mm-mm. So good naman yung result niya. Pero what's the effect on the stock price? Parang 0.7 lang. Wala masyadong inakyat. Di siya popular these days. Anong news niya? Okay. So, basically, tumaas yung stock price niya. I don't know, yung earnings niya. Pero hindi nag-reflect dun sa stock price niya. Hindi masyadong tumaas. Kasi meron daw nag-fail na contract discussion with YouTube. Nag-fail yung discussion nila. Meron silang contract dispute. Anyway, so kung yon ang issue, pag nag-improve yon, it will go up. But anyways, okay lang naman sa akin i-hold siya. Let me just check kung what's the target. Yeah, the target price is still 134. So right now it's 112. So still there's an upside of 19%. So I'll still hold it. I mean, at the end of the day, I subscribe to Disney. Actually, gusto ko yung ano niya, yung subscription method niya. Kasi like, unlike Netflix, I'm not saying na sana gayahin siya ni Netflix kasi I'll have a difficult time naman. So Netflix kasi, I can use Netflix wherever I go. You know, I have Netflix here. I can go to Turkey, I can go to Philippines, kahit saan. And I can still use my Netflix. Di ba? Mag-change lang yung show wherever I am. And cheap siya. I mean, it's affordable. But with Disney, I cannot use tawag dito, my account sa ibang country. Like, so example, if I'm in the Philippines, hindi ko pwedeng gamitin yung account ko kasi this Indonesia account yung meron ako. It's the same thing kasi yung sister-in-law ko, she has Disney in Philippines. So I was like, oh, baka pwede ko gamitin dito. Hindi. So kapag lumabas din ako ng Indonesia, hindi ko magamit yung yung account ko talaga. Like, nadi-disappoint ako actually. Kasi, syempre, gusto ko panoorin minsan yung ibang shows, di ba, na hindi ko mapanood habang nandito. So, you want to watch it while nagte-travel ka. Although, hindi ko pa na-try kung ida-download ko siya. Pero, I find it, not usable. Pero, let me know if you can use it in another country. It's just so happen na siguro, nung tinry ko siya, hindi siya nag-work. Pero, baka naman it works. Pero, anyways, in terms of stock holding, syempre, that's a better revenue or business model for a streaming like Disney. So, that's why, as you can see, meron akong Disney, but I don't have Netflix. Kasi, business-wise, mas gusto ko yung revenue stream ni or business model ni Disney because of that. Although, as a user, I'm not happy about it. Pero as an investor, that's good for me. So yeah, I'm just holding that because I still have 20% upside based dun sa target price ko. Alright, and let's go to the next one. Ito na nga, si Kroger. Diyos ko. Bakit kaya siya bumaba? Wala bang wala bang kumakaano dyan, nag-grocery masyado. Okay. Ayan, so kita nyo, bumaba na siya. Ay, nako. Although, right now, 1.36% down lang naman siya sa portfolio ko. So, basically, I can still, liquidate. Liquidate. Oh, kaya pwede ko siya i-sell na lang. If I find it, like, really down. Or bad. Okay, that's why. That's why. Okay. So, according to this, Kroger is evaluating yung effects of a recent penny shortage. So, kulang sila ng penny. Penny yung 'di ba? Coins nila. So, may shortage ng coin sa US right now. Hindi sila makapag-produce. Kasi like for example, 'di ba sa BSP natin, piniprint yung pera, tapos may coin maker din ganyan. So kulang sila ng coins. Therefore, so syempre Kroger grocery stores, 'di ba? And sa US, I realize pa rin sila. Although may cashless, marami pa rin yung may cash sa kanila na nagbabayad talaga. So ayun, wala raw silang panukli. Ano ba namang issue yan? Walang panukli. Baka kasi mag-cashless na lang kayo, di ba? Pero kasi, syempre, hindi naman lahat, nagka-cashless. Yung iba talagang heavily cash pa rin. At saka yung mga, di ba? Yung mga, cash din ng earnings. Yung mga, anong tawag dito? I don't wanna say it, pero yun, alam nyo na yun. Pero ano ba nangyari sa ano niya? Sa earnings niya? O yan, o, tingnan nyo. Yung Q, 2025 tayo, di ba? Bakit nasa 2024 pa rin sila? Ah, hindi pa yata sila nagre-release. Hindi pa siguro sila nagre-release ng ano. Ito, Q, Q, Q2 nila. Wala pa, hindi pa yata sila nagre-release ng earnings. 2024 pa to. Bakit hindi updated yung ano nila? Yung financials nila. Kakainis naman to. Ah! So, i-end na pala yung penny production. So, US retailers left short changed as penny production ends. Ano yun? As in forever na nilang tatanggalin yung mga coins? Walmart, Kroger, amongst grocers posting recall notices after Moonlight Peach recall. To hire 1,800 workers. Da, 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 da. Anyways, I'm still quite sure that tataas yung earnings nila by Q4, end of Q4. Ano? Kasi, um, by January. Kasi nga, malapit na ang Christmas. At saka ang ano nila, December is gastos month. So, November, December. So, I think, okay pa rin na i-hold to. Hold lang natin, itech. Ay, what's that? Okay. Teka, I'm curious. Talaga bang i-end na nila yung coin production? Oh my gosh, if phase out nga nila, penny phase out forces stores to rethink cash transactions. States law complicate rounding practices. US retail group seeks guidance from the federal government. Oh my gosh, this is a big news. Phase out of coins. My gosh. There is a scramble among gas stations, fast food chains, and big box stores to adjust prices and round cash transactions. I guess this is why tumaas si Amazon. I think this is why. May Amazon ako, wait lang. Kasi ang tagal na daw ni Amazon. Pero I bought it kasi malapit na nga mag-Christmas. Nasaan yung Amazon ko? Ayun pala. Ayan. Kasi parang last week, nasa negative 1% pa yung Amazon ko eh. Tapos ngayon nasa 6% siya. So, umakyat siya. So, I mean, if you're buying online, hindi ka affected nitong penny phase out. But, if yung grocery stores ka, yan, sila Walmart, sila Target, Kroger, Macy's, ayan. Lahat ng retailers, including the gasoline stations, ano pa ba? Fast food chains. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, therefore, ayan, medyo dapat pala, I mean, there will be some sort of changes. Of course, hindi naman mawawala entirely tong sales nila, diba? It's just gonna be difficult. Or they have to change their system. Or they have to, I mean, mafo-force din naman yung buyers to change to online, diba? Pero yun nga, marami ka rin kasing uh, maraming cash, yung mga tao na cash yung ginagamit. Anyways, that's it. Phase out of penny. Interesting. It's nice to know. Nice to know. Okay. Okay. So let's go to Amazon. Let's see what happens to Amazon. I mean, well, let me check. Mm-hmm. Okay. Ang target price ko kay Kroger is like nasa 70-ish. Teka lang, pakita ko na lang din sa inyo. But I'm holding it kasi nga, I'm still projecting an increase by, ano, naman, 70. 20% yung target ko, diba? Nasa na, ayan. Nasa 75. 75, 76 yung target ko sa kanya. Right now, halos dito ko rin siya nabili. Yung price na to. I bought it probably this time. Early October or this time. So, it's not super loss for me. Like, okay lang, I can still hold it. Pero that kind of, news, yung ganyan, yung mga news na ganyan, would trigger up and down sa, diba? Sa market. Looking at the other, momentum indicators, mukhang bababa pa siya. So, if you have time, you can buy pag bumaba pa siya. Pero mukhang may ibababa pa. If you're patient enough to do that. But, I mean, I'll just hold it. If there's an opportunity for me to add when it goes down, then i-average down ko siya. Kasi, since nandyan siya, I mean, it will take a while for me to reach 20%, diba? So, we'll see. Baka 10% na lang. Ewan ko. Okay pa naman. Feeling ko naman ma-achieve niya yung 20% in the next 4 months. Ganyan. Ganyan naman ako mag-hold mga, 1 quarter. So, yeah. That's it. Let's check Amazon. Amazon. Char. Ayun si Amazon, nag-jump siya. Which weird. I think I bought it like somewhere. Basta mataas ko siya nabili. Siguro dito. Tapos bumaba. Ganyan. Tapos, ngayon, nasa ko na siya. There's Amazon. 6% up siya sa akin. Pero I was expecting na tataas siya by mga January pa. Pero yun. Well, it's nice. Start here. Sana tumaas pa siya. Like, boom, taas pa. Pero why? Let's see why. Amazon. Sir, wala akong bagong stocks na i-review kasi wala akong time maghanap. And I think naman, okay pa to. So, mag-ano lang ako, reallocate lang. So, ibebenta ko yung isa, i-reallocate ko sa bumaba yung mga opportunity aspects ko. Okay, sir, Amazon. Actually, bumaba yung Google, diba? Baka makapasok ako ulit. It's so funny kasi like, if you look, kasi pag bumibili ako, diba, bibili ako ng more than one stocks, ganyan. Tapos kapag nagbenta ako, nag-iwan ako ng isang stocks. Kasi nga, parang gusto ko pag umakit siya, tapos bumababa siya, papasok ako ulit. Itong si Google, nakakainis, kasi nasa 61% up na siya sa akin. Hindi ako makapasok ulit. But anyways, happy naman ako sa kanya pala siya dyan. Okay, Amazon. What happened to Amazon? Ano siya? Strong earnings report. Ito yung maganda dapat dun sa mga saktong timing like yun, quarterly report. Kasi nga, pagkapangit yung news, kahit na maganda yung earnings report mo, minsan natatabunan nung bad news, tas babagsak pa rin yung price mo. So, maganda na meron kang magandang strong earnings report, tapos sasabayan mo pa ng isa pang good story. Saka, tataas. What's good about, bakit tumaas siya ng 9%? So, well, one, earnings, diba? Plus, nag-report pa sila ng opening of new store, around 3,800 square foot sa Whole Foods sa Chicago. It means additional revenue stream. So, very, very, very good. Kay, Amazon. Congratulations, Jeff Bezos. Number 3 na naman siya sa pinakayayamanin. Sana all. Pahingi naman. Paano naman dyan? Anyways, ang target ko naman sa kanya is around 270. So, or actually, gusto ko lang antayin yung next report ito, January 29. Syempre, expected ko tataas to kasi nga mag-Christmas na, di ba? Tapos, November, Black Friday, um, ano pa? Black Friday, ano yon yung Thanksgiving, Christmas, Q4, Amazon, dapat good earnings report by January. So, I'm still holding it until January. Ganyan. Galing talaga ni Jeff. Char! Sumaya. Ayan. Kaya nag-increase kay Meta. The rest, that's a nice terminology. Key facts. Amazon share surge 9%. Capital spending to rise. Um, capital spending. So, mababawasan yung cash. Pero, tataas yung depreciation, which means, tataas yung net income. Alala ka. Sorry naman. Teka lang. Nababaliw na yata ako. Okay, so, ayun. I'm happy. Again, etong, kay Malatikbong ko, you don't have to follow it, ha. I'm just sharing it with you. Of course, dun sa mga nagche-check nung IG ko, as mas kasi, updated ako sa IG. Minsan pinopost ko yung bago kong binili or binenta, ganyan. So, if you wanna see yung real time na ginagawa ko, you can follow me sa Instagram. So, Money and Chiren. Sa Instagram, teka lang. Ano ba, meron ba akong yung ako lang? Teka. Ayan, it's me. Hi. I'm the problem. No, yeah, so I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not telling you to do the same thing that I'm doing. I'm just sharing with you how I process things, right? Diba? Again, after a magulong quarter report of earnings, so of course some of my stocks will go up and down. So ang laki ng difference ng spike or like fall, 'di ba? And yun nga, that's why it's important for you to like do not freak out when things happen like that. So ano lang, chill out, read the news, reevaluate your portfolio and decide what to do next. So in my case, I'm gonna sell Twilio because I think I've reached naman na my earnings. It has a potential, momentum wise, it can still go up. And I'm thinking din naman like next quarter, they might still have an increase in earnings, 'di ba? But for me, I'm okay to sell na. And since I find Meta, um, an opportunity, so I'll buy back. No, not buy back. I will average down on Meta kasi in my portfolio, it's down by 10%. So I'll sell Twilio, which earned me 30%, and I'll average down on my Meta. Yeah, so that's my plan. Don't do what I say, diba? Do your own research for sure. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm just sharing this because I have time. And wow, I have new order. Yee! By the way, guys, to those not new here or new here, yeah, and so follow our stores and website. It's Clean Earth Project. So I have products. We have products, cleaning products that are all natural in Philippines. So you can buy that as well. But anyway, so yun lang. Thank you for coming. Sorry, ang gulo-gulo ko. So 52 minutes tayo nag-live. And most of the time nagbabasa lang ako. So yun, sana nagbasa rin kayo sa with me. Nakita niyo gaano kabagal magbasa, 'di ba? So yeah, so if you have other stocks, I can see some of the comments mostly sa Facebook, pero I don't see anything sa YouTube, pero I can check now. Okay, so wala naman tayong questions sa YouTube. So I can just say bye everyone. Thank you and happy coming week. Happy weekend for the rest of your Sunday. Have a great weekend. And yun, if you are gonna watch this later, please buy our product, Clean Earth Project. Bye-bye! Paano mag-end? Sorry, Whew. Bye! End stream. Paano ba? I-close ko muna. Para kunyari may ending soon na. Ending na. Okay. Ayan. Thank you.